Hi everybody, it's 1:15 p.m. and today, it's Wednesday, I'm going to cook a very awesome vegetarian meal, and this is a very cool pan, and in this pan you can see water, salt, and very cool garden zucchini. And this zucchini is very awesome because it's very good for your body. Goodbye.